Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 2, we can put into 1 plus 1. For this one, we can put into identity. Now, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s minus 1 equal to tan t. So if I put this one go in here, you got about tan t square. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about secant of t square dt. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of negative number 1, you got about 0, because this one is about the constant. Tan t, you got about secant of t square. This one we change by tan t. ds we change by this one. So this one you got about secant of t square. We simplify the integration of dt, you got about t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. And then you got about t equals to tan of s minus 1. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.